Look at him sitting there eating his Bojangles. Alright guys, today is the day. I just want to start out by saying thank you guys. Thank you everybody that came. Thank you everybody that is gonna come. It's gonna be a great time. I'm super excited. Hoping to definitely, you know, take a step up from last time. Had a great time last time. We're about to get started. Got some people rolling in. It's about 5:30. Thank you so much to Bojangles, Bojangles Tally, everybody that made this possible. Y'all are the best. You know, I wanted to start something last time and bring people together and just have a good time and be able to, you know, really show what the Bread Gang is about. You know, that's kind of what we're doing here. We're bringing people together. You know, whether the Bread Gang is, you know, getting money or getting motivation or, you know, just, you know, helping each other out, getting through the day, whatever it is. You know, that's what it's about. So we're bringing people together tonight. If you like the, as Thomas is dancing behind the camera, if y'all like what you see, make sure to hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Next time we're gonna do it bigger, probably a new place. You know, it's Botally truck meet, half off Bojangles, Burnouts, cops. I mean, the cops are gonna come. That's why I say that. I mean, that's truck meets for you. But I'm gonna finish eating some Bojangles and we're gonna get this bread.
Some sort of release. I can't really afford to have anybody hanging out over there parked up against the building. Is this something you guys do on a regular thing?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir. You need me to move him? I can move him out to the grass
If you
spot.
don't mind, look, I don't want to be a dick.
Oh, no.
The last time we're gonna do one here.
Okay. Show one of those. So.
Burnout alert. We got Paul again. Paul's gonna do a burnout. Looks like we got Hunter with the blue F250 over here. It's gonna do a burnout. And we're gonna go take a look at the Pro-Charged Mustang up front. It's gonna do a burnout. So we got 3. I tried to get them to do a burnout with the tow truck, but it would not happen. I like it. Okay.
I'll pull one wheel. Yeah. Just count tires. I did one tire.
And then the tire is not the end.
Yo, go!
Don't blow your gaskets.
Dude, he thinks he's you trying to make biscuits or something. He watched a little too many YouTube videos. Oh, sad!
Your best burnout of the night.